guys, welcome to the homestead, the snowy homestead. We got a lot of snow. Let me just show you how much we got. See this mound behind me? Pretty much as tall as I am. That wasn't there yesterday. Yesterday morning. We hardly had any snow here. We had a little bit, but you could see grass and the driveway was plowed, but we've got in spots over 2 feet of snow. But I'm out playing, get it all cleaned up. But today we're dealing with the cold as well. It is, I mean, it has to be. I know it was around 20 a little bit ago, but it's definitely in the teens now. And so I'm out playing, got the driveway all cleaned up, and got some snow moved. But a lot of snow at this homestead here. Let's go check the animals. Hi guys. We'll open the back door and see what it looks like out back here. How are you guys? Turn some lights on in here. We're all cozy in here. Get the door open up here. So, supposed to taper off this evening, and tomorrow actually supposed to get a little bit of sunshine, cold but sunshine, and so hopefully it stops. But this morning I had to actually get on the roof because we had so much snow. It actually covered up the exhaust for the furnace, and I had to go up there because it shut the pilot light off. That was nice. So I had to go and clear off the roof a little bit and get it all lit back up. But we have a heater in the basement that keeps the house pretty warm as well, and that never goes out. So that was, you know, we weren't cold or anything. But so that's what we deal with at the homestead every year. Lots of snow and lots of cold. So, time to go play a little bit more in the snow. So, hope you all had a great Christmas. We did. It was a true, let me shut off the light in here. Got to shut off the lights. It was a true blessing. We got to spend some time with the family. A blizzard yesterday, but it was just a great time with the kids, as it always is, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus, and what a blessing. So, quick update from the homestead. Stay warm. And look at this beautiful snow. God bless y'all.